Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Rico, and I'm back with another video. Today, we're going to go over how to grade phones by condition and sort of give you a good guide to go off of. So let's jump right into that. I want to go over some grading guidelines for you to operate by, and whether you're buying or selling, having your own grading system will help you. All right, so you have the grade A definition, right? This is the top of the line. This is the best quality that you're going to find and expect from a used device, honestly. They're almost mint condition, okay? And most of the time, but not always, they've been in a protective case their whole entire life and will rarely show signs of any physical use, all right? But let me break it down a little more. There's no scuffs, right? There's no marks, no scratches, no blemishes. You have to be really particular about accepting something as grade A as well as listing something as grade A, all right? Those are the cream of the crop, and you want to get either the most for your buck if you're buying, or you want to get what it's worth if you're selling. Hey, real quick, man, I just want to ask that if you're getting value from this thus far, I want to ask if you can please like this video, comment, and hopefully subscribe. That lets the algorithm know that your boy is working hard. Didn't want to take too much of y'all time. Back to what y'all came to see. Grade B is the second best quality out there, all right? Grade B devices have been tested extensively and are confirmed to be working in working condition, right? Here's some of the things I look for when I grade those, okay? So light scuffs, right? Light scuffs only were acceptable. Light marks were acceptable. Of course, obvious signs of use are acceptable. Now, here's what wasn't acceptable to pass as B. Cosmetic damage to the body, right? Dents, heavy scratches, permanent marks, stuff like that. Those don't qualify to be a B, all right? But this was my rule of thumb. As long as the body of the phone was perfect, no dents, no scratches, I would accept some dings and some scratches, and I would even accept it into grade B simply because the body is perfect. So that's how you pretty much define a grade B device. All right, now on to defining a grade C device. So grade C devices are the lowest quality of a phone that you should personally deal with, right? So that doesn't mean there aren't D and on down. I just personally wouldn't advise you to deal with anything less than a C, and that's because you're trying to get some resale value and there isn't much in the D grade phone. So like all of the other devices, it needs to be tested and be in working order, okay? Grade C devices typically show the signs of heavy and excessive usage, right? And those signs obviously are dents to the body, right? Heavy scratches, permanent marks, things like that. Any blemishes on the body of the phone automatically are labeled a C for me. And just to put it into perspective, even if let's say we have a phone with a perfect screen, okay, but it has a dent over in the side where the screen and the aluminum or whatever that is on the phone touches, I'm gonna label it a D simply because cosmetic damage to the phone really brings it down, the value down, because it's not really fixable by a normal person. So that's why. Ironically enough, grade C phones are actually the ones where most of the owners thought that they had a grade A device, okay? And it was weird because grade B owners typically recognized the slight damage that they had and said, well, yeah, this isn't a mint condition phone, so, I won't label it as that. So it's interesting how that works, but grade C phones are really where you're gonna find, the most common, okay? You'll be lucky to get a B and you'll be ultra lucky to get an A, just being 100% candid. So these were just ways to sort of grade it. Now, sometimes you're going to get sellers that try to get fancy with their grading terms, all right? You'll get excellent, good, fair, or gold, silver, bronze, all right? regardless of the name, regardless of how they rank it, it's all based on this same system I laid out here, okay? And once again, this isn't standardized. This isn't my own. So talk to me in the comments. Tell me if you're already flipping. What do you consider a grade A phone? What do you consider a grade B phone? And, you know, we can chop it up from there. So, man, I just wanted to keep it short for y'all today. Thank y'all so much for watching. It was your boy, man. If you have any questions, once again, please don't hesitate to hit me in the comments. The Cowboys lost today, so I'm really, really, really sad. But other than that, it's been real, man. If I was able to help you, please don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe. That's it for tonight. I'm out. Let's get it.